Hi, my name's Chris from Driver Training Limited. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to negotiate the Telford Town Centre Roundabout as if coming off the A442 from Trenchlock or Horton Wood, round past the train station and in towards Telford Town Centre. As we're coming up the A442 as if coming from Trenchlock or Horton Wood, the first thing we can see is our sign on the left, and that tells us that Telford Town Centre is left-hand lane. As we travel along, again we look at the next road sign, and once again it confirms Telford Town Centre is the left lane. So if you miss that first board, you don't need to worry, you've still got time to move across after it. Now here, if you're in the left lane, you don't need to signal because the left lane is stated as left only, so you just follow it up. But now the road splits into two. Where do we need to go? Well, again, we look at the road markings and road signs, and the board in front of us says Telford Town Centre is right, 5th exit, and the road markings also confirm Telford Town Centre, right-hand lane. So as we come up in the right-hand lane, the road marking again says Telford Town Centre, but with any roundabout where we're in the right-hand lane, we're going to head across straight to the roundabout, and that's exactly the same on this roundabout. But remember, it's traffic light controlled, so keep an eye on that as well. As we go across into that right-hand lane, the road marking once again confirms that this is the correct lane for Telford Town Centre. And as we follow this lane, by looking ahead, we can see we've got the white lines on our left and we've got the white lines on our right. So as usual, don't cross the white lines and it will take you to where you need to go. So we're just going to follow this lane. Looking on the road in front of us, we see the road marking saying Telford Town Centre, so we know we've kept in our lane, we just need to keep following it round. As we come up to this point, we may think, well, where do we go now? So we have a look. The sign on the left does not say Telford Town Centre. However, the road marking on the right does. So we know we're not going off at that exit. We're just going to follow the lane and it will lead us to where we need to go. Quick word of caution here, it's just to bear in mind that ahead of us we've got a yellow box junction, so especially when it's busy, perhaps of morning, evening, dinner time, you need to make sure that you can fully get out of that yellow box junction before you go into it. If not, not only is it an automatic fail on your driving test, but if you're in an area with a yellow box junction camera, it's actually a £130 fine. One of the things we can do to avoid being caught is just look 4 or 5 cars ahead. If you can see that it's free flowing, it's going to be fine. However, if you can see that the traffic is at a standstill, even though the traffic light's on green, you need to stop at the white line and wait for it to clear. As you come up to the next roundabout, the driving examiner will normally say to you, straight ahead, second exit, or it may even be right, fourth exit. But here we're going straight ahead, and if we do, there's just something else to look out for. As we come down this road, it's in 2 lanes, but by looking at the road markings ahead, we can see that it becomes 1 lane in a moment. Now, added to that, it could be that the bus is also coming out of the bus stop. So again, you need to keep your eyes on the road ahead and any potential traffic that's overtaking on your right that might want to come back in. So we hope this has helped with your understanding of taking the roundabout towards Telford Town Centre from the A442. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more hints and tips. My name's Chris from Driver Training Limited. Remember, drive safe, and we'll see you all again in our next video.